differentiation, we got to find the derivative, the double derivative rather, of this particular function t square ln. So since this is these are two functions in multiplication, so we got to use the product rule first. So let's first find the first derivative of t square ln. So that's got to be equal to the first term remains as it is, and then we differentiate the second term, which is natural log of t plus the second term remains as it is. Then we differentiate the first term, which is t square. So t square remains as it is. Differentiation of natural log of t is 1 over t. Plus natural log of t remains as it is, and differentiation of t square is just 2t. So t square over t is just t. So there is t plus 2t ln t over here, and t is taken out as a common factor. In fact, let's keep it this way because we have to move further. We have to find a double derivative of it. So the double derivative now of this function d square. Let's call this function y for simplicity. So d square y over dt square, that's going to be the d over dt of this function, because that is the first derivative. So we have to differentiate this once again, t plus ln t plus 2t ln t. So the differentiation of t is just 1, and the 2 is a constant, comes out, and then we have to differentiate t ln t. So this is a product of two functions. We've got to use the product rule. So the first term remains as it is. Differentiation of ln t is 1 over t, plus ln t remains as it is. Then differentiation of t is just 1. So this becomes 1 plus 2 times. Fortunately, this t and t gets cancelled, and we are left with 1. So this is 1 plus natural log of t. And if you open up the parentheses, we have 1 plus 2 natural log of t. And 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. So the final answer is 3 plus 2 natural log of t. This is the required value of the second derivative of this particular function. Thank you.